How much? Only 15 naira, you dey sell am?
Yes.
Yes. That's still that 15 naira dey here. So how many people you don't sell today, so?
Yeah.
You don't sell today, so?
This time trade that I carry come.
Hey, my people, this man on the street and I did for inside PG this network. I really don't see one of those reasons we make that for never sing that song. EML. My people, this corona matter, lockdown matter, we don't make us they see so many things. And this one, you man say wonder shall never end. Oh, my people, when I know say government put law now, say anybody wey no wear face mask they waka for anywhere for Nigeria now, say they go arrest you, lock you up, pay you, bail you. The matter cause serious now because they see different face masks. But the one they shock me now, this one they call for Benin City for Edo State. Hey, they take her too serious and very personal and very personality. We come make even madman self now on the same face mask. Hey, Oba talk me, hey, Benin people, nothing we don't go see for that corner. Bad man now on the same face mask and they sell am 50 naira. Our people they buy, my people. When I look the face mask, I look and say the madman no go waka pick face mask. So people don't use throw away, cause they resell am. Our people they buy for Benin. Nothing we don't go see there.
Get one madman where they sell face masks. I don't know what that one buy. How much? Only 15 naira, you dey sell am?
Yes.
Yes. That's still that 15 naira dey here. You don't sell today, so?
This time trade that I carry come.
You don't sell am finish, you know this one?
Yes.
Okay. Make I just give you.
Okay, keep.
Just keep this thing, eh?
Well done,
You
no?
tried. You tried.
Well done, my brother.
You do well. You see they sell face man, make people no die. Okay, so you're a good man.
Oh, Corona, this thing we do Nigeria, it don't go better for you. Make everybody top businessman, even madman self now. I don't become international local max selling businessman. My people, this one shock me. I beg my people. If you don't stay government, when I see this one, I beg when I do something because a lot of people go follow this madman, follow by for 15 naira, and this one now it can cause more coronization and coronation of corona in their life. This the PG News Network and the man on the street with this.